Good morning, ma'am. Excuse me. I want to introduce myself to you, ma'am. My name is Sri Mariati. I'm 33 years old. I'm married. I don't have children. I'm Muslim. My height is 148 cm. My weight is 63 kg. My last education is junior high school. I come from Sumbawa, NTB of Indonesia. I have experience working before in Dubai 4 years, from 2019 until 2023. My job is cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing, and take care children 3 years old and 7 years old. I can cook Indonesian food, for example, soto, gado-gado, rendang, and orek tempe. And Arabic food, for example, rice biryani, rice kapsa, and mandir. I want to go to Singapore because I need more money for help my family and my better future. I promise working in Singapore until finish my contract 2 years or more. I'm finished introduce myself to you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.